You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you've tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with
Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's relaxing clean with me. This is gonna be super satisfying, so grab a cup of coffee, put me up on your device. As you can see, I am showing you a little bit of a before of my house as it was a mess. So I'm gonna keep the music in today's video really relaxing, and I'm really excited to jump right in and make my bed. Let's get started.
From the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others, a cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning, a new kind of ecstasy. You found a different
Now that my master bedroom is all tidied up, we're gonna go ahead and start tackling the bathroom and then move on throughout the rest of the house. I hope this video gives you tons of cleaning motivation to tackle your mess. Let's get to it.
Someone pretty need a different side of me, yeah.
So I just wanted to pop on here. If you are new here, I would love for you to hit that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. I do tons of homemaking and cleaning motivation, so that's what you can find here on my channel. I also love to keep it super relatable. I share the odd recipe, I share the odd home DIY project as well, and I am a mama to 2 little girls, and I am married and currently live in Canada. So there's a little bit about me. I would love to get to know you a little bit better. Let me know a little bit about yourself in the comments if you are new here. Here on my channel, you will find lots of cleaning motivation. I usually do a lot more upbeat motivational videos, but you guys really seem to enjoy my last relaxing clean with me, so I wanted to go ahead and keep this one a little bit more relaxing. So let me know in the comments what you prefer. But again, if you are new here, I would love to have you join our growing YouTube family.
Front porch, sipping on the rocks, citrus in our beverages, citrus in our beverages, show only the good sides, always pretty smiles are covering our faces, you know it is all lies, you know it is all lies, on and on and on it goes.
My goal for my channel is to give you guys tons of cleaning and homemaking motivation. I found YouTube when I was pregnant with my first daughter, and it really helped me through what felt like lonely time in my life. It has helped me get through postpartum depression, and so I wanted to also be able to offer that community for other women. And so feel free to reach out to me at any time. Let me know in the comments, reach out to me through DMs on Instagram. I am always here to lend an ear, as again, YouTube really helped me, and so I hope that my channel can inspire you and encourage you and motivate you through whatever season of life that you're in right now.
Everybody's business. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down? I think I'm the wrong size. Not enough room for everybody's egos. Why don't we all calm down? Why don't we all calm down?
So if you're wondering why I have this vodka here, I talked about this on my Instagram stories, but I actually made some jalapeno vodka. It's really easy, you guys. You literally just pour 1 cup of vodka per 1 jalapeno, and then you infuse it, and it is so good with Caesars. So with summer coming up, I drink a lot of Caesars. I actually have virgin Caesars often because I can't really tell the difference when there's vodka and when there's not. But when there's jalapeno vodka, it is a game changer. Let me know if you guys try this.
Someone like you to stand by me always.
So as you can see, I am just wiping my countertops and I am using my Tipper River spray as I normally do here on my counters. It is a multi-purpose spray and it's just a natural cleaner, so I love it. Let me know in the comments, what is your favorite cleaner? I would love to know. I'm always looking for new cleaners. I'm always looking for new and more natural products, but you will find here on my channel I do use a mix of the two. You can see on my table here I'm using Pledge, and you'll notice there's like a white mark on my table. It's a sticker. Welcome to mom life. Again, I love to keep it nice and real for you here on my channel. So my toddlers were playing with stickers at the table when I was trying to cook some breakfast, and they got it stuck on the table. So here's a little tip for you if it ever happens. You can use Mary Kay's oil-free eye makeup remover and put it on a little bit of a cotton pad and just kind of scrub the table here, and it comes off. It like literally just lifts it up, and it's amazing, and it's not gonna wreck the surface of whatever you're putting it on either. So I just love this stuff. It is incredible.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you.
All right, you guys, moving on to my entryway. I am just getting this all cleaned up. It always seems to be like there's shoes everywhere. My husband and I were just talking about getting rid of that shoe rack. As my daughter, she is 21 months old, and she just loves like swiping the shoes off of the shoe rack, and so it's just always a mess cleaning it up. I know it's just a season and a phase of my life, and it will pass. Let me know in the comments if your kids do the same. So now I'm just going ahead. I went to HomeSense and got these new hangers, and I'm going ahead and putting these clothes on. As you can see, we had quite a few shirts that didn't have hangers, as we were just gifted a ton of them. And if you are enjoying this video so far, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, you guys. It really helps out my channel, and I would greatly appreciate it. Alright guys, now that that is all done, I'm just going to tackle the rest of the main living area here, and then I'm going to go ahead and start my robot vacuum as I got to go pick up my daughter. So let's go ahead and tackle this.
I wish I had a little more time with you, baby.
Alright everybody, that is it for today's Clean With Me. I hope that you guys found this video super satisfying and you got lots of cleaning motivation. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family, and we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
My mama said